not working.
India, that women in Manipur, West Bengal and some other states are daily subjected to physical violence. Why? Why is the government reacting? Oh, why will they react? They are busy spreading religious propaganda and promoting Hindu-Muslim rights bigger than the safety of women. I would like to pass that to Israel to support my statement.
Rightly stated by the Delegate of Norway. India's violence in Manipur has gone out of hand, and their government still is stuck on passing a manifesto that doesn't target any of the violence going on in their country. And along with that, China just proved the point of UK by saying that we don't recognize the rape. When the government doesn't recognize the rape, okay, how will we ensure that? I'd like to pass that to United States of America.
I totally agree. And not only in Manipur, but I have this list of the rape cases really happening in India. April 16, sons held for rape. April 16 again, boys held for rape, their fathers kill survivor mother. Then praising the roots of and then woman deposes rape case well. And then many more is happening every day in India.
But ironic of USA to question the reproductive rights and abortion of other people that they don't have. I would like to pass UK to support my statement.
First of all, it was said that the United States of America did this on the basis of representative democracy. How is that possible when 49% of women voted against their reproductive rights? 60-year-old men are deciding what 21-year-old women can do. They are deciding that they can't even have children on their own. Pass it on.
The Delegate of USA also questioned Israel about where the humanitarian aid is being used when Israel was directly in contact with USA in collaboration for providing humanitarian aid in Palestine, but that was attacked. So, and the Delegate would also like to move this away and talk about the Islamic nations and how they continuously talk about interpreting Quran just by one statement made by Israel and saying that that Quran is up to the interpretation of who interprets it, when these countries use Quran to interpret conservative mindsets. Thank you.
I'd also like to talk to the Islamic countries saying about the interpretation when you guys are not able to interpret to the same conclusion. One of you says that it's a love and respect why men are oppressing women. The other says that it's written in the Quran. I pass it on to Robert.
As we are talking about the Islamic nations, in Iraq's constitution, it is legal to have violence on women by men. But and it says that Quran says that. But Quran states that Quran states that men are prohibited to hate women. How do you justify that? How do you support the statement by the
I want you to give your time to some non-self-esteem person.
Currently stated by the Delegate of Norway, Quran is being interpreted by Islamic nations to just limit and brutalize against women, while Quran explicitly states that the father who nurtures his daughters preciously will have a place in heaven with the holy God, with the prophet.
I like to talk about India. There are 90 rapes every single day in India. Over 1,000 rapes, only 384 rapes are reported to the police. 57 result in arrest, 11 are referred to the prosecution, 7 result in felony conviction, and 6 are resulted in prison. I would like to talk about a case also. A 14-year-old boy was beaten and sexually assaulted. A 14-year-old boy was beaten and sexually assaulted with a wooden rod in school by his 6 classmates, and he was threatened that if he told this to someone, they will do the same with his sister. It has been 10 days and no decision has been taken against this. If the people of India do not have mercy towards the 14-year-old, the Delegate of Hungary wonders how they protect their women. I would like Norway to go.
male guardianship prevails over the country, and second of all, she said political representation is different from that. Ma'am, women are not taking a major part in political representation because husbands are not allowing them to. And second of all, I would also like to say something to the delegate of Israel. No matter who started the war, Ukraine or Palestine, does this mean that you will take innocent sides? An interpretation of the holy book. It is a religion. It is a holy book. It is of such high precedence. And what you are doing, interpreting it to discriminate against women. Men can divorce women in all Islamic countries, in all Sharia law countries, but women cannot do the same. What is this? I would like to give it to Sweden.
आज भी लेवल एक बस सेंटर को भी दे नहीं रहा है
First of all, the delegate of Sweden would like to point out why did Australia go against Israel when it is an ally of Israel. Secondly, to point out, India has a system, the Devdasi system. The people who don't know, it basically strips women of their clothes and then they are supposed to be offered to God. Isn't this slavery?
Supposed to be passed to me. Level 10. Easy set. It was mentioned to level 1. It was mentioned in Islam. Only Islam.
UAE कौन है भाई?
A few countries like Israel and a few other delegates are continuously circling back to Islamic states. So there's the United Arab Emirates think that Israel is just jealous that we have our own holy book and they have nothing for their religious faith.
The delegate would again like to specify, yes, I'm doing that again, that domestic violence is justified in our country. We believe in treating women with kindness, care, but when it comes to crossing the limits, going out of the line, they should be disciplined. As the delegate of Australia has mentioned, he clearly still hasn't clarified his facts yet. Well, okay, so the Quran's interpretation, well, what would a book do if it is not interpreted by people? We are the followers of Islam and we are supposed to follow it. It is hence our duty to correctly interpret it. And I would also like to say that you follow Christianity in your country, right? You do. First, please learn to hold your placard.
Look at it.
You follow Christianity, which is very similar to Islam and has Prophet Muhammad mentioned in it too. Christianity is very similar to Islam and you cannot target Islam for that. And Protestants have... Protestants have always... they burned women because they thought they were witches. How do you justify that? We never burned our women. You burned your women because you thought they were bitches. Oh my God.
At this point, I don't believe that how many times we say, how many languages do we say, the other delegates won't understand that the interpretation and the implementation of our Quran can vary widely depending on cultural, social and political factors. So at this point, I don't believe they can understand it anymore. While talking about abuse and domestic violence, the holy book, Quran, does not promote or condone gender-based violence. In fact, it says us to advise the women if they are not following your advice, they should be forsaken in bed. And if they are not listening to them, they should be stricken hardly.
Just now the committee...
Do you want to extend it by 10 minutes?
Yes! Just now the committee we saw that how Pakistan is not being in the committee.
हाँ पीछे भी भेजा जाएगा
Start doing the recognitions, okay?
No,
Yes.
they have done so many recognitions.
They are saying the same thing again. sir, but पूरा Muslim.
Just now in committee we saw that everyone is putting each other and getting against Pakistan. Okay, I'm okay with this. But I want to answer everyone who questioned Islam and who questioned Pakistan. We follow our religion. We have only one religion. We have only one God. We interpret. We do. Yes, we do. We do not allow domestic violence. But if this happens, this is in our country. What about your country is doing? What about your country has been doing? I would give chance to Ukraine.
Okay, so firstly, the delegate of Sweden stated that what kind of education are women getting in Pakistan? Firstly, women are not getting education in Pakistan. And well, the delegate of evidence stated that Christianity used witchcraft. Ma'am, it has ended. Witchcraft is not used anymore. And your country still uses religion as an excuse to violate women. And now coming to India, in India, in public, kissing is allowed to kissing is okay. Apparently, if Bajrangal sees you having a romantic relationship with someone in public, they will beat you brutally, and they will kill you.
Ukraine, please, Ukraine.
अरे पीछे देखो.
Yes, sir. Same thing.
First of all, the delegate would like to specify that almost 80%, or to be precise, 79.8% there are Hindus in India. They say that they worship women and that they think that they are goddesses. But do they really rape the people that they worship?
Please, you want reply?
Okay.
Talking about witchcraft,
As Australia and Ukraine has mentioned, witchcraft is not an ugly practice. Witchcraft is considered to be holy. Please get your facts corrected. Witchcraft is not a bad practice. People, Christianity made a bad. This is not 19th century. So what? You are talking about our history. Our Quran was made way back. Why are you commenting on that?
It is the 21st century.
It is your religion.
If your country follows religion, then why do the Muslim women want to leave Lebanon? You question the integrity of my country. My country follows Christianity. My national policies are not based on a religious book. And right now you're talking about 21st century. You are making my book so old. And I would also like to answer Sweden. I targeted Israel because I targeted Israel because they called me the god of this committee. So let me educate the person who thinks she is the goddess of this committee. She claimed that 2 in 5 women in Australia have experienced some kind of sexual harassment. See, we are working very hard for it, and at least we are not killing 2 mothers every single day. Lebanon.
Yes.
Lebanon is a Muslim country.
Yes.
So does that mean that Quran is supreme in your country?
Yes, it does.
So you practice all the practices that are mentioned in Quran?
Yes, we do.
Why are you not wearing a headscarf?
Respectfully, I'm not wearing a headscarf because here I may be representing Islam, but I do not believe in that. Lebanon.
You answered already.
Not enough. Sorry,
हाँ, हाँ.
sorry for interrupting, but please continue.
It is my personal integrity on what I wear
नहीं सकता. You know, I was parking here initially. ये आपकी market में park किया.